Hello everyone and welcome back to a fresh YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed the last one. This is episode 2 of the house renovation build. So I'm going to take you inside now and show you what we've been on with. Right, we're in.
Welcome back to episode 2 of the house renovation.
That's the one, that's the one.
Tell them story.
We've got Danny in today.
I know. Chris has treated us. He's gone work for someone else because he had a day's work, he said. So this is the loyalty you get off Chris.
Yeah,
so
absolute messer.
This is why he's up and down. So anyway, it doesn't matter. Dan's in, that's the main job.
Well, first of all, Luke's put a lintel in here and brick this back up, but we might be taking it back out.
The full chimney breast right out for the full house. So we're putting the steel in the loft over the chimney, so they might all lot they might come out. But this wall's going to come out, isn't it?
This wall's coming out.
I'm thinking if we went and got a couple of acros and a scaffold plank,
yeah,
we could put it under them door heads. We could actually take that wall out.
Yeah.
It's not connected to the breast, so it's coming out. Dan's taking this back. I've told him just to take it back today, because I'm going to have to put it back on.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can tank over that.
Go right over it, yeah, yeah. So just taking the plasterboard off.
Yeah, plasterboard. That, I said to leave on for now, because it'll be coming off at brickwork front.
Yeah, yeah, no, we'll knock it off when it
comes out. That's getting reused at window head or sill in the new little window that's going in the bedroom.
Skip's gone now, isn't it?
Skip's gone. We're full, weren't it? That?
Yeah.
Big shout out to Kev for taking that.
I'm just going to start piling up. We've got some bags, haven't we, up here?
Yeah, I've just told him to put it in buckets and then start bagging it.
That's good. That's good.
That's having a chance to dry out a bit to see where the damp is. You can see where the damp is in there. Told him taking off a metre high up to you.
Yeah.
I can literally sort that out, no problem. Upstairs, can we show upstairs, Dave? Big changes.
Big changes, big dust bomb.
Big dust on that way. See, we've been hard at work up here. As you can tell, stud's gone, bathroom's out, as you seen in the last video. Exposed this chimney. That's all been exposed. Fireplace in every room back in there. Took some running.
We'll use that as a window bottom as well, won't we?
Yeah, that's going to have a bit.
That's one in the window.
In that one. That's a big void we found, which has actually draft for the flues right up to the chimney, which is built on this wooden beam.
You can see an hole there. See it's daylight.
Built on this wooden beam here between chimneys. So all this might be coming out yet. So this will get rid of all these boxes in your room. More headroom. Yeah,
and get rid of all these.
There's a bit of no one there. No copper block been found though.
No.
No, the goods have gone.
All back to brick. These will get overboarded, these ceilings.
Yeah, not by kicking that one down. It's been reclassed, hasn't it? So it's overboarded.
We took the window out, the glass out the window to get all the dust out. So yeah.
Copper's gone. We weighed up copper in it.
Yeah, I paid for a skip and a bit of profit.
A bit of extra, a bit of spending money.
So yeah, we hope you're enjoying these videos. Keep smashing that subscribe button.
Tell you what, I've seen, there were a lot of comments saying on the last video about the house back.
Yeah.
And a few people saying, yeah, alright, that's where the money is.
It is.
We don't mind the cars, it's made bread and butter.
100%.
This is where it is, this is where we need to go in full time. Into the houses.
100%. And the good thing about it is that we can do most of the stuff ourselves.
Yeah.
That's where a lot of people get stung with it, but we can.
Like I say, that's where people might not see the profit in houses. Luckily enough, we brought up with his dad and his brothers who were builders and plasterers and stuff, so we can put an hand to it really.
We're plasterers by trade, us boys, if you didn't know that.
We stopped in 2008, like we said, but we went to metal. But yeah, can't slag it off, it's been good to us.
Oh, another thing as well, one person or a couple of people said, where are you going to put that bathroom? So this is the main bedroom. You come up the stairs, this is the big bedroom at the front. Don't forget this wall's coming out. So when you're going to come upstairs, you're going to turn right into this room. There's going to be a door here going into the main room, and then a stud from that socket there coming out, back down on itself here with a door in. Then that there will be your bathroom, boys. Bath across the back. Nick a bit of that cupboard in there for a shower, or maybe put bath down this side actually. Shower in that corner. Toilet probably either here or on that back wall somewhere, and sink and towel rail. We'll make it fit. But yeah, So the old Sprinter's probably going to be doing a lot of work this week, because if his chimney breasts come out, there'll be a lot of brick to get rid of. So yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Big old mill at the back of the house. Big old cotton mill. Lovely bit of history. Right, gonna crack on.
Right, we've nearly knocked, well, the kitchen's knocked off to where we need it to be. Take you upstairs, I've started. We've just been and bought some acros off a friend. So, I'll show you what I'm on with. Big jobs only. Taking this wall out. I've acroed the bit what's holding the breast up and the chimneys. I've acroed the ceiling, even though it has got props upstairs to the rafter, to the main spars, but you never know, dear. So, acroed that. 5-inch old handmade brick, or 4.5, so whatever they are. They're coming off nicely then, and the powder's knackered on them, you see. Wallpaper there hidden, that must be from 60s or 70s, hidden behind there. So that's where the bathroom is now. We're like saying, you want to see that before, we're going to nick that room, which is up to the loft hatch, move the loft hatch. That's where the shower, walk-in shower will go, and then the bathroom will come over here into this bit. So it's turned out alright. So Dean's outside, being the banksman. He's keeping an eye on this. Dean's in the rain outside. We're going to throw the brick out back at truck. We've got a free tip for that, because it's a nice clean red brick. They'll get crushed and reuse that, so we're recycling as well. So yeah, I'm going to get it sorted now, and we'll get it done, get it cleaned out. And just like that, she's gone. The Great Wall has gone. Dean's had to shoot off to drop a pigeon off. I look like Mark Home Alone. Full of dust. Wow, what a hole.
Well everyone, Luke's made a good job today. The wall's out now, ready for the glass. Well, not ready now, but big glass balustrade going up there, and a return at the top, making it nice. Danny's just giving it a good sweep out now. We've had this is a second load of brick. And a few bits for potholes here. But yeah, there'll be plenty more brick to come out of this job though, with the chimney stacks coming out. Proper dusty in there. But I think I think it's his 5th full day on it, this. Yeah, we didn't do anything on Friday because we collected the cars, but yeah. So yeah, 5 full days working on it, it's not so bad. It'll soon start taking shape. Once we get the studs up upstairs and first fixing, and once the plasterboard starts going back on the wall, that's when it starts looking like an house again. But another month or 6 weeks away from that yet. But it is what it is. We'll keep going, that's all we can do, innit? But yeah, keep smashing that subscription button because you like these videos, a bit looks of things. If anyone's ever done a bit of house bashing before, you know these terraced houses are all over the show, but they are well built, but they're still all over the show. But yeah, good house, it's a good house. Run to the skip probably next day, so in the old Chevrolet Tacoma as well, skip bus, to get rid of all the rest of the dust in the bags. They're all in the backyard. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Well guys, it's Tuesday morning, it's raining again. I'm in the old Chevrolet bus, ready to go to the tip. I'm going to take all the dust to the skip, because the scaffolders are on the way. So I'm going to go and feed the birds, and then get up there. Luke and Danny are already up there. Chris is not working anymore. He's a messer. So, long story, but something else has come first. Drinking. No good. Anyhow, we'll get up the house and let's crack on.
Right people, it's Tuesday morning. We've managed to get the rest of the rubbish cleaned up, stairs cleaned off for now. Walls down, following the stringer and the stairs. That's all good. I can neaten all that up later on. I've managed to pinch our wheelie bin back after being here for not 2 weeks, just over a week. Someone else down the road will be using it for the bin bags, but it's got our name, it's got our number on it. So I've dragged it inside, we're having it back because the bin men have been. Dean's gone to tip with Danny. Still no Chris. Chris is lost at ours, I'm not bothered anyway. Yeah, so we've got Danny instead. He's gone to tip with Dean. He's let me back up. Yes, that's about it really. We're waiting for the scaffolders. Sorry about that, battery went. It's probably going to go again as well anyway. As I was saying, wait for the scaffolders. They're going to come and do it front and back but it's a bit of rain outside, so they might not turn up because they melt, don't they? They're not made of sugar. Hopefully they'll turn up and get it up then. Get the window thrown in at top then in that little bedroom. So yeah, good progress being made. Right, we're starting from where I left off when the batteries went. It's Thursday morning, me and Dan are in. We've a bit more progress on the house. Obviously we didn't film it yesterday. Dean did the video yesterday on the cars. So I'm going to show you what I've got done in that day. Well, damp course started around here in the kitchen round on all the walls where the brickwork is. Plenty of waterproof and sand and cement. Through here, filled the bottoms in around there, got all that sorted and sand and cemented. Pull the back door out for now. Sand and cemented right down in the front room. Window wall, wall, stairs wall. As you can see, that's all sorted. Obviously, because the bathroom's in the middle of the house, that was explained before, we're having to, I've had to chop the floor joists, get 2 7x3s. I know it sounds a bit overkill, but they do spring just with one. So 2 of them, I've got some bit and bolts and threaded bar and nuts and washers. I'm gonna screw them together in a minute, drill the holes, neaten them up, nice and tight. That's all squashed together. So that'll leave for where the bathroom goes in the middle there, for the soil slip pipe to come right through the floor and punched out the wall there and out. I'll obviously put another 7x2 or a 7x3 on that wall, row bolted to there. That'll all be sorted. Scaffolders are outside. They're putting the front up now, so that's a good job. They'll be out back soon. Filled that in, a bit of leftover sand and cement. So yeah, all good. That's the bed, all nice and clean. Nothing's much changed out here, but like I say, once that scaffold's up and get that window in. Dan's just cleaning it up. So yeah, things are moving forward, that's the main job. I'll get these bolted up now. I'll show you end result of bolting these together. I'll just get it rebar, I'll show you what I've got. Not rebar, I keep calling it rebar, threaded bar. Come in metre lengths, they're actually quite cheap actually. So I've got 2 metre threaded bar and the bag of nuts and bolts for it somewhere. They're knocking around somewhere. So yeah, that's going to do that. What I'll do, I'll pre-drill the holes, put it through, thread the nut onto one side, thread the wash of the nuts on the other side, and then chop it back with grinder. There's your nuts and bolts. Oh, wash and bolts. So yeah, all good. So I'll get that sorted and I'll show you that finished. Right, that's that done. I've done them one every other, tightened up, big washes and nuts on both sides, all sorted. That's took the spring out of it. Sand and cement that up in a minute, well shortly, that'll be that sorted. And hopefully get onto this scaffold this afternoon and mark out for a window out back. And I'm going to send, I think it's butty shop time, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah,
butty shop time.
Yeah.
We'll go and get some milk and we'll make a brew and have a butter. Right, this is what's happening here. It's rotten. Really rotten down here, so I'll just see what's causing it. It's like a bit of damp down here to me. Old stuff what's come down over years. Yeah, we'll dig all that out in a second, get all that rubbish out. I've had a bit of repair here before, does this, Danny? That's
a bit of bubble there.
Yeah, that's a non-piece of treated timber. Yeah. It just fell in bits.
Get all that out.
Yeah, in that toolbox in there, your gloves are in there, mate. Get them a pair of gloves for us. Yeah. That's what's come down the street, look at the state of wood. Rotten. So we'll dig all that out now. And dig all that out, take these other few bits off. Right across front. Probably replace the timber out front. And see how bad it is at here. Right, pulled up that, got all the rotten stuff out you seen earlier. Putting big offcuts of 24 C4 in there. Kept it away from all the walls and the half inch all around. Bed them on cement and bricks. Then metal plates on the tops. So that ain't going nowhere. Nice and steady now, nice and sturdy, not going nowhere. I'm going to board over that and get rid of this as well, where Matt used to be. Floorboard it up so that'll be nice and solid. Scaffolders I've done out front for us. Show you that. That's all scaffolded up now. So that'll be ideal for roofers. They've shot it over a couple of foot at either side. so we can there's no slipping off and messing about with any bits. Absolutely bang on. I'll get a pointing knocked out I think next couple of days up there, then they're going to drop that top lift for us down to the bottom lift when the sandblasters come. So yeah, they've been spot on. We've used upright scaffolds for his scaffold. He sorts us out a deck. He's a good lad. So if you need any scaffolding, uprights you want, get in touch with them. Around Lancashire, spot on, good lads. Set it however you want it. Anyway, I'm going to finish this floor now. That'll end the video for today. So me and Dan, I'd say thanks for watching episode 2 of House Renovation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, ring the little bell if you want notifications. We'll see you at the next one.
Thank you.